anything but simple. A certain level of social organization is required to survive life on the open prairie. You have to share your space with lots of others. Every prairie dog is part of a community called a town. The largest ones stretch over tens of miles and can contain thousands of residents. Living together in such large numbers requires impeccable social skills. Kissing is all the rage in Prairie Dog Town. A little taste of saliva.
Do you like the prairie dogs?
That helps identify a visitor.
Yeah.
But when they're not socializing,
Do you like the prairie dogs?
they're defensive. Although excellent hearing and widely positioned eyes allow them to spot danger quickly, large numbers still fall to the multitude of predators above. And on the prairie.
Do you like the prairie dogs? Do you? Do you?